for every one of you guys being a very hardworking, being a very loyal. Every one of you is a key person in the company, is a key for our success in this company. We really like to thank you from our heart. And today we have selected a few people that we would like to appreciate them, reward them. Thank you very much.
I appreciate the ownership you guys have taken. I appreciate that you feel like this is your own company. And it is not that this time, whenever there is any difficult times in the company, you are always stand shoulder to shoulder. So we really appreciate and thank you very much.
Let's say all of you guys are heroes.